Hi everyone, it's Loretta, and I just want to show you a quick overview of my room during the KONMARI reorganization. I'm going to go kind of slowly here so you don't get too dizzy. The biggest areas I'm working on right now are the closet here where my dies are stored. These are my grand mark dies, and this is a tool chest. I think it's a Husky. And in all those drawers are large dies as well as alphabets and things like that. And then behind me, this is Stay Really Clean, by the way, my book case with all of its storage bin. But this is what I'm working on today, so it is a hot mess once again. And you're going to find in your own process as you declutter, as you clean up, that you're often going to have to move things from one area to another to work on, and then you kind of move back and forth. Not everybody does that. I think in the hoarding world, it's called churning. I do a lot of churning. But most of that, once again, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, is because I am a ladybug. I will leave the information for the Clutterbug's channel down below so that you can see her videos and figure out what kind of bug you are. Because once you unlock that information, it's a whole new world, it's a whole new ball game. One of the things in this room that I have changed here in the last few days is this. As you'll recall, I did have my die cutting cart over here, but that did not work. And I also had a table and 3 chairs that sat here, and it just took up too much room and was visually cluttered. But because I've been in this space for a while, and I had already established the die cutting area over by the closet where my AccuCut Grand Mark machine is, I decided to move it all back over here. And this is working. I have been doing a lot of projects, so you'll see a bunch of things kind of out on my desk. But I am so glad I just made the decision to move it back. And if you're wondering what you see above those machines, I actually put a light like you would use underneath a cabinet, and I just Velcroed it up so that if any time in the future I ever want to remove that light, I can, and then easily take off the Velcro without damaging the walls or without damaging the cabinet that my husband so lovingly made me so many years ago. And that stamp display unit has made the move from Maryland back down here to the south, and it moved. It was just a dream. And right now my desk, even though it's a mess, is just things that I've been working on and I need to put away. Once again, this is kind of a process of, I just have been so busy making some projects and kind of a laziness attitude. And look, I even have a couple of bucks on my desk that need to be put away. Just some laziness, honestly, of not just putting it up as I go along. But that's kind of what I do sometimes. I just get too much on my desk, and then I get lazy and don't clean it up, or I get overwhelmed and don't clean it up. So those are some things that in my personal life that I am working on. So hopefully I'm going to get that under control. And then I'm not sure if you guys can really see this. This is more or less an apron, and it's going up underneath my glass mat, which is a tempered glass mat. And I actually have Velcro on the end up there and then on the 2 sides so that it won't slip off my desk. My desk is metal, and even with the glass mat, it tend to slip. So I just gave it some stability. But this is just like a desk skirt or a desk apron, I guess. And it was made by Kathy, who is Kathy's Cozies. And I will leave her Etsy store and Facebook page underneath this video for you, so if you want to go shopping. But this is the same material that my cozies for my Brother's Scan and Cut, for my AccuCut Grand Mark machine, and my Vagabond are all made of. And those actually have some sunflower motifs in the black and white. It's quite stunning with the sunflowers that I have going on in here. And I love it, so thank you, Kathy. Thank you once again, everyone, for your support. If you'd like to be, and you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, please. Don't forget to click on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you can get emails of when I upload videos. Share my videos on your social media. And don't forget, stay happy and be a blessing. I will talk to you all soon. Bye for now.